Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add Aliexpress reviews, product reviews to your Wix site. It's really fast and easy, and let me show you how. So for this example we will need to use a website that is called elfsites.com. It's 100% free, and what you need to do here is to create an account if you don't have one. So create an account, and then you should see similar window, and then on this option here there will be applications, and press on it and then press add application here, and you should see this window, and under the reviews here you should see where's the Aliexpress reviews. All right, as you can see here there is Aliexpress reviews, so press create a widget, right? And then we need to wait for a few seconds, and then you just need to select the template. So it can be this one, it can be carousel, slider, grid, and way more. So I will select the default one, and then you need to, as you can see here, copy and paste the product URL. So I just found this one, and it automatically basically copy the product reviews. So press apply, and as you can see here it's loading up. And also you can change layout, you can change review style, and do a bunch of different things, but for this example I will not do that. And basically after reviews is collected, what you need to do here is to press save. All right, and when it's done, if you have new account, it will ask you to select the plan. So depending on your purposes and for your needs, it totally depends on your needs, you need to select the plan. So for me, I will select this light, that is $0 per month. And then as you can see here, you will get this script, and copy the script, and then you need to go back to your Wix editor and then press add. Here on the left side there will be plus icon, and then go on embed, and then as you can see here the first one is embed a widget. So press on it and you will have this little square, so expand the square as much as you want. So for this purpose I will expand like this, and then what you need to do here is to press enter the code, and as you can see here, paste the code here. And we need to wait for a few seconds, but as you can see here, reviews is appearing of the particular product that I basically copied the link from Aliexpress. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it, what I wanted to show you. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.